boyfriend and girlfriend stage. How long is the boyfriend and girlfriend stage before they decided to get married? Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ayun, meron tayong representative. Kailan daw po, or ilang years? Years na lang po. Ilang years ito. Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
Mary Ann.
Mary Ann. Hi, Ma'am Mary Ann. Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Mary Ann. Mag-gusto. Ayan, pinapalakan niya yung sarili niya. Pampalakis to. Tama, no? Alright, now, are you on the groom side or bride side?
Bride side.
Bride side. Wow. A representative from the bride side. Now, if you have a message for the couple, ano po yun?
Jess and Josh, congrats. Balo ko, may karoon kayo, kaya may kasal kayo sana. Metong at metong, dakala pasensya. Balo mo na ngayon yung panahon na iti, dakala may kakawani mo yung asawa, kaya marakala pasensya dapat ni metong at metong. Congrats.
Yan! Alright, table. Anong table number po kayo?
Number 2.
Alright. Para